Hello, welcome to the Needham High School Music Department. Thank you for watching and attending this virtual open house. My name is Jonathan Vanderwood. I direct 5 ensembles here at Needham High School: the Chorus, Bella Voce, Chorale, String Ensemble, and Chamber String Orchestra. Let me begin by saying how wonderful it has been this month to be back in school making music together. Our students are hard at work preparing for our first performance in November, and I know we're all very much looking forward to hearing them sing and play in person. We have a lot of music offerings in the music department at Needham High School. The chorus program is divided into 3 ensembles: Bella Voce Chorus and the Select Ensemble Chorale. String players participate in either string ensemble or the Select Orchestra, called Chamber String Orchestra. We also have 2 wind ensembles, a jazz band, a contemporary music ensemble, and several semester courses, including piano lab, music technology, guitar class, and music theory. And I highly encourage any student who would like to further their music education to try one of these semester courses. They're all taught by excellent people and well worth the time. Within all of the classes that I teach, students may elect to take the accelerated track. Course requirements for accelerated ensembles are listed on my website, and this is a great option for anyone who participates in the private lesson program. There are 2 main points of housekeeping I'd like to address in this short video, namely concert attire and grading. The requirements for concert attire are listed on my website, but suffice it to say that we perform in what is traditionally called black tie apparel. With our first performance now less than 2 months away, it's very important to make sure your child has a plan for what they will wear. I've placed a few resources for you on the website that students have used extensively. Just know that if you order a dress online or purchase a tuxedo, either new or used, that alterations are almost always needed, and that takes extra time. Regarding grades, I've been telling students this year that most of the homework are low-stakes assignments, or to be more specific, a 1-stake assignment, meaning that I'm really just looking for completion. Obviously, we want students to improve, but the point of most homework assignments is simply to engage in purposeful and thoughtful practice and not to worry so much about the grades. Concerts are graded by attendance, and that does include being prompt to the call time. We do have some reflective written work following concerts. At the end of each semester, students have the opportunity to participate in small group work, also called the Semester Chamber Unit Ensemble, where they are allowed to select, rehearse, and then perform the repertoire that they've chosen. So we flip everything and students take over that unit. Lastly, we're very fortunate to have a group of parent volunteers supporting the music department. The Friends of Music is our long-time booster organization, and I encourage you to get involved in some capacity, no matter how small. We are a better community working together. Over the years, Friends of Music has purchased instruments, sponsored students to all state and other music department trips, and helped to run the various music events we hold here in Needham, such as the junior district auditions and the annual Needham High School Musical. Please take a moment to read the Friends of Music slides included in the email I sent home. I very much look forward to seeing you all at our first in-person concert this year on November 18. That is the chamber concert. And I'm very much looking forward to a night of live music, as I'm sure we all are. Again, if you have any questions, please take a moment to look at my website or reach out to me, send me an email, or give me a call. Thank you, and good night.